Assalamu alaikum. The Arabic letter Ya and Arabic sign Kasra both have very similar sound, actually the same sound. E, E. Are you confused while differentiating between these sounds and how to differentiate the words? I will teach you in this video. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We have started a series of learning similar sounding Arabic alphabets so we can understand the real phonics of the Arabic words. As a beginner, it's really confusing how to differentiate between them. Actually, the ya and kasra both have the same sound, which is just like e, just like I in English, e. But ya makes long sound, long vowel, e, and kasra makes short sound, short vowel, e. Sound is the same, but it makes a vowel sound, long vowel sound, it makes a short vowel sound. Also, you can say ya is make the vowel ya madda when it is followed by kasra, and kasra itself give only a short vowel sound e. For this, I write some words over here so you can understand really the meanings and the difference between the both. Let's move toward the words. The first word is Amin. Amin. You see, Kassa is over here. Amin. But here, after mim, there is Ja. Amin. In half shape, Ja gives just like this shape, which is over here. If you have not watched my dad videos in which I teach the Arabic alphabets, you have must watch these videos so you can know the shapes and you know the letters and their phonics. Here, Amin, Amin, Amin. You see long vowel sound. Ja making low vowel sound. Amin, Amin. The meaning from these short and long make difference. Amin is just in Amin, you are the guide or someone, and Amin is safe. Just by the difference of long and short vowel, it made a difference. That's why in Arabic, among the big mistakes, it is a mistake to make the short vowel to the long vowel and long vowel to the short vowel. If you really want to learn the big mistakes in Arabic, which is called lahne jali, do comment me in the comment box. I will make a proper video for you on lehen. Lehen mean mistake in Arabic. Lahan mean mistake in Arabic, and lahne jali mean big mistakes which change the meanings of the Arabic. You have to comment me in the comment box. I will teach you in my next videos, inshallah. Right now, let's move toward the meanings. So, just by long vowel and the short vowel, the meaning is quite changed. It's Amin. It's Amin. Eid is a festival for Muslims, which is called Eid, and Eid, it's count. It means count. Here, Ain have kasra and make it Eid, Eid. But Ain have ya after it and it make Eid, Eid. And Slim, Salim, Slim, Salim. Slim means safe and sound. Safe and sound. And Salim means to be safe. The difference of the verbs and the nouns here. And Amil, 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 client. Amil, client or agent. And Amil is to work. Just like Amal. Alim, Alim. Alim, ya over here, ya over here. Alim, Alim. Alim, knowledgeable. Knowledgeable. And Alim, to know. So you see, just by the long vowels and the short vowel, the meaning is quite changed. So you have to make the difference between them. Why? Otherwise, you are mixing the words. Just comment me in comment box what is confusing for you, I make it a new video for you. You can also find these examples in the Holy Quran, because if you really want to learn Arabic, you must practice this. And for practicing in the Holy Quran, in Arabic books, try to find these examples. Send me your work in the comment box. I will teach you. I will check it for you for free. Inshallah, see you in the next video where I will bring more letters which are confusing. So make it to you clear. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, as also visit my site. The page of my site for these confusing words you can find over there, and the link of that page you can find in the description box. Visit my site, you will find all this material over the written statements over there. You can make the notes, and you can read, and it will help you to learn Arabic. Assalamu alaikum.